Nothing is back with another eye-catching phone, and this time, they're taking things up a notch. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro brings a bigger display, upgraded cameras, and even more LED action on the back. But is it just a flashy phone, or does it have the power to back it up? Let's break it down. From its transparent back to its smooth 120Hz AMOLED display, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro promises a premium experience at a mid-range price. But does it deliver? Let's talk specs. The first thing you'll notice about the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is the signature transparent back with 3 LED light strips. These aren't just for show, they serve as notification alerts, a camera fill light, and even customizable lighting zones. At 211 grams and 8.4 millimeters thick, it's not the lightest phone, but it feels solid and premium. It's IP64 rated, which means it's dust-proof and splash-resistant, so light rain won't be a problem. There are 2 SIM options, NanoSIM eSIM, globally, and NanoSIM India only. But one thing is missing, there's no microSD card slot, so you'll need to rely on built-in storage. Now, let's talk about the screen. 6.77-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, that means buttery smooth scrolling in vibrant colors. It supports HDR10, which makes videos look even better, and the brightness? 3000 nits peak, that's bright enough to use outdoors with no problem. The screen is protected by Panda Glass, not as popular as Gorilla Glass, but it gets the job done. Performance software. Under the hood, you're getting the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset. It's not a flagship processor, but it's built to handle everyday tasks and gaming without lag. With up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage, multitasking is fast and smooth. Just one downside, no SD card slot. What you get is what you're stuck with. It runs Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.1, and you're getting 3 years of major Android updates. That means you're covered till Android 18. Now, let's talk cameras. 50MP main sensor with OIS. That means sharp, detailed shots even in low light. 50MP periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Get closer without losing quality. 8MP ultra-wide. Perfect for group shots and landscapes. The front camera is a 50MP sensor, and it can record in 4K. Selfies? Crisp and detailed. Video recording goes up to 4K at 30 frames per second with Euro EIS for stabilization. So, whether you're vlogging or shooting casual clips, you'll get smooth footage. Battery charging. A 5000 mAh battery powers this phone, and it's built to last. You get 13 hours of active screen time, which means a full day of use without worries. Charging? 50W wired fast charging. 50% in 19 minutes, 100% in under an hour. But here's the catch, no wireless charging. If that's a deal breaker for you, take note, the stereo speakers on the Nothing Phone 3A Pro are loud and clear, making it great for watching videos or gaming without headphones. But if you still prefer wired headphones, there's some bad news, no 3.5mm headphone jack. That means it's time to go fully wireless. For those who use contactless payments, NFC support is here, so you can tap and pay without a problem. The under-display fingerprint scanner is fast and reliable, unlocking the phone instantly with just a touch. One thing missing? No infrared blaster, so you can't use this phone as a remote for your TV or other appliances. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro delivers a unique design, solid cameras, and smooth performance. But it's not perfect. You're missing a headphone jack, wireless charging, and SD card support. At €459/597, it's up against phones like the Pexels 7a and OnePlus Nord 4. So, is this the phone for you? Or would you go for something else? Let me know in the comments. So, that's the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, a phone that keeps the transparent back and LED lights while packing some serious upgrades. The Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, a 6.77-inch AMOLED display, and a 50MP triple camera setup make it a solid choice in its price range. But what do you think? Is this the Nothing Phone you were waiting for, or were you expecting more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, no-nonsense tech reviews. See you in the next one.